Hi programmer, in this video we will explore about slice. We already learned about array. So array has some limitations that will resolve by the slice. Array has big size. If you wanted to grow on the runtime or if you wanted to be the shrink it also on the runtime, then array cannot possible. We need to give the size. That problem can be resolved by the slice. Okay. Suppose I need to create a number. Okay. This is also fine. And if I giving a size over here, that is we called a array, and let's prove it. So we will just say fmt dot println, and over here we know we need to use reflect and the value of numbers, and we need to give kind. Okay, so this is an array. So let's run it. Clean. So this is an array, right? Okay, let me know this println. Now same thing, if I need to create a slice, you can see very slightly difference, and now it will become slice. Means I don't need to give the size over here. As I told you, slice can dynamic, means it is alternative of the array definitely, but is dynamic. It can be grow, or you can say it can be shrink it also. Plus slice is actually one more thing we know about array. Last time we learned it. Array is a value type, means whenever we pass to a function as a parameter, we need to pass a value. But slice, if we will pass to a function, slice holding a pointer on the first index of array. So that means it will actually passing a reference to passing a function. A slice is better than array. Let's see the practical also, all these things. Suppose I have an array and I want to create the slice from this array. So what I need to do, simply we know that if I need to get a substring, I can just simply write down like here. So it will bring first index to the fourth index exactly. Okay, so over here. So but the good thing is it will become slice also. So this is slice, this is array. If you wanted to check is this slice or not, you can just simply check through reflect, and over here we can see this is slice, and the value will become this one. So this one is creating a slice as a literal. Okay, this is creating a slice from an array. There is one more way we can create a slice from the make method. Okay, so create a slice from make method. Okay, make is the function. Over here I need to give the length over here. So this is also slice. Okay, one more thing, in the slice, if you are making a slice like a way, I can give the capacity also. Slice has one more property, that is we call capacity, and capacity can be different from the length. Means this much of the capacity have, or capacity can be increase it also. Okay, we can increase or shrink it also. So this is a slice 2, and it has, this is the capacity over here. Okay, so if you need to know what is the capacity of this one, I can just simply say len length is, we can simply say lice2, and cap I can simply say lic of 2. So this is the way we can print it. Slice of slice is also possible. Means suppose I am creating a slice, and over here let me take it. So over here I am just doing third, and I need to be create slice from slice. So simply what I need to do, I will just simply say fourth, and this is fourth, and so this is third, and this is the fourth. So what we are trying to do, this is slice, and I'm making the slice of slice also. Means it will take, these are the value over here. If we have slice, I need to be append a element in the slice. So suppose we have empty slice. If we have empty slice, then what is the value will become? So slice print empty slice, and suppose this is the fifth, and I'm making like a way, run it, I will get a blank empty slice. Okay, next thing is we have empty slice over here, and that is sixth. I want to insert element inside it. So I can insert through the basis of index, or I can use the append also. So I just simply say append slice 6. I want to append, these are the 3 elements, and over here we'll just simply say appending slice. This is 6th element, and we'll print, we should be get 1 2 3. Okay, and one more thing, suppose if I have a slice and I'm just making nil slice 7, and if I will print it, definitely I will get a blank empty one, right? And if you will check what is the length and capacity of it, we'll see. Another way, suppose I need to create a slice, so I can just simply say slice pointer, and that also we know new is the functions. So new functions here I can write down and integer over here, and this is variable, so I need to make like that. Now you can see this is the pointer, and we does not have any length, so that is slice only. Now if I need to be print the value of it, I need to put a star, and that is this way. So definitely it will become also blank empty, right? Okay. Another thing is I can make a empty slice also. Means right now we are not giving anything, but we can make it like if also. Suppose I am giving 8 and 8, because I'm just wrapping it. I'm just opening the bracket where we can pass the element, but I'm not putting anything. Okay, that is also empty slice. So that meaning and this meaning both are the same, but we can write down in this way also. So these are the way to declare a slice. Let's see how to copy a slice. So I have suppose I have one source element, and I wanted to copy in a destination. So I just simply say destination equal to, and I'm making first actually blank slice. So over here integer, and definitely I need to give the length also. So I'm just giving length of whatever the source we have. So this is destination. So I can just use the copies the function, that is global function. I can use destinations, and over here the source. And if we will print the destinations, we will get the whatever we have in the source also. So copy function we can use to copy a slice. So we got this one, right? And let me put some delimiter so that we can easily identify, or I can separate it. Element and star. That's fine. Next thing is iterate on the slice. It is very similar to array. Okay, suppose I am making over here slice 8 we made. Let's make it the slice 9 over here, and this is slice 9. Now for loop I need to run, and this is the index and this is the value, and this is equal to range and slice 9. This is very similar to index and value, will get it. Array and the slice, there is no difference. Only difference is that it has capacity, it can grow, and it has shrink it also. That is the thing. And one more thing, to make a better performance, we can pass a slice to a function as a parameter. Okay, one more thing, if I need to declare a slice using new keyword, and over here, yes, this is fine. Declare a slice using new keyword. So how will declare a slice? Simply will declare. So over here, this is a new keyword, and this is not a slice, guys. This is array, and this is the way we are making a slice. So finally, inside in it, we'll got a slice. Slice of, we have 50 array. Out of them, we took the first 10. So now the main question is, what is the capacity and the length of it? So let's run it. And we can see length is 10 and capacity is 50, because whatever the array size, it will take the capacity, and whatever the from the array, whatever the how many element we are taking it up, that is will become the length of it. Okay, another thing, suppose I'm making an array through the make functions, and this is the length and this is the capacity. Here I'm inserting the two value only. Okay, so what is it? This is slice. Okay, what will be the basically the length? It will become length, because we are pushing only two element, so it will become the 2 only. So now we will see 2 length and 5 is the capacity, because this is only we declare it. Now suppose I'm appending to existing slice like a way. Now the question is over here, what is the length and the capacity, how it will grow it? So let's see. And over here slice after the appending the data, and this is a and length and the capacity over here. So let's run it. Here we can see it has right now 2 element, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So definitely the length is 9 and the capacity is the 10. Capacity is always greater than the length. And one more thing, remember guys, if we does not have capacity to in existing slice, then it will create a new slice for us always. Let's see over here. So this is the existing one. This is the existing slice, and when we run, you can see this is the existing one and this is the old one. So you can see this is the new one and this is the old one. So this is the way, if this capacity is the 5 and we are just putting more than that, appending. Okay, this is append is only way we can append the basically, or I can say insert, or either we can say push the element in a slice. Okay, if it is actually decrease it or increase it, it will size will be grow it actually. Okay, So the capacity will increase just because of this. And whatever the length, capacity always greater than of that. This one always greater than of length. Okay, remember these two things. So now the thing is, now we already added the slice. We already create the slice in so many ways. We created it already. We append the slice. Now, okay, next thing is how to remove item from a slice. Suppose we have one slice of country name. Now we wanted to remove particular country over here. And okay, before removing, let's me print it also. Here I'm creating new functions. Remove index. Here we will pass the slice, the complete the string of the slice. I'm just simply saying array, and this is the type will be string, and which index we wanted to remove, that is index is integer. Finally, we wanted to return back to the in the same array only, or we can say slice. Here we'll write down return. Definitely whenever we will add or remove, we need to use the append only. Okay, whenever we will append or string, anything is possible, but we will need to do this one only. So thing is over here, suppose this is a slice and I wanted to remove particular, suppose say the third index or the second index. So 0, 1, 2, this is how we wanted to remove it. So what I need to do, I can just take it this one from 0 to this index and take 0 to this index. Whatever it is there, it will left it over there, we want to use it. So we are appending, or we can say we are merging this slice and this slice, the two slices we are appending and merging it. Over here we need to write down S, and we know that in array, how we will create a slice, we can simply say like, so it will give me all the element before this index. Second thing is I need to write down array index plus 1, and this is column. Okay, remember one thing, whenever you do append, and this is, what is this? This is also slice, and earlier also we did, but this is not a slice, this is comma separated the items, list of items, but here we have slice, so I need to write down dot 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 over here. Remember this thing also. So now what we are trying to do, index, particular index before that, and after that particular index we are taking the element. So whatever the thing is left, it will delete it. Suppose I'm deleting the third index or the second, we can just pass it over here, remove index. After that also we'll just print the slice. Let's see. Let's run it. You can see the particular country, Germany, is actually now does not exist into the slice. Okay, so this is the way we can do. Now we understand how to use the append. The same thing. Okay, if we have two slices and I wanted to be append the slice, this is what we did. This is the same thing, same way. Suppose I'm just saying 10 and this is 11. Now I need to append, so I just simply say fmt.println, and over here I'll write down append slice 10 and slice 11. But on 11 I need to write down this one because I'm appending the slice one. Now we understand how to add element, how to remove element, or if I need to be return a new slice, so we can return it also. One more thing, suppose we have one slice example, we can take, okay, this is also fine, or we can take, or I will create a new one. Okay, let's create a new one, and this is the new slice. So length of slice is 2 and the capacity is 5. And if I will insert an element on a second element, means on third place, or either I can say third place, any one thing, because the anything is fine because the capacity is the 5, right? So I can just simply say 100. So if I do like a way, and can it possible, because we are going beyond of the length. Right now there is no error, but let's run it also. That is not possible because index out of length, because length, we cannot be exceed to the length. It will get runtime exception. The element associated with the slice has capacity and only available for a growth. Capacity is not a length. Capacity means it can be grow. Capacity can change, and the grow can be possible through only append. So make sure about the capacity and the length. Now, how to declare a multi-dimension slice. Suppose I have a slice of the matrix similar to the same as array. Array we need to give the over here the size, but over here I don't need to give the size. Now, and if I print it, I can simply print it also like directly, or I can access it matrix of 0 or 1, and I can simply say only. Now let's run it. So over here we can see. So we can see over here the element is 5. So first means the second row, and first column is this is this one. We can create slice of a structure also. So suppose I have one structure, person, that has name and age. And if I need to create a slice of it, we know structure, we need to write down over here, and this is the structure, and in front of that I need to put it, this is square bracket, that means structure of slice. Now if I print it, it will become, in other programming language we can say array of object in the JavaScript, and list of object also we can say. Now we will run it, we got, this is the value. Okay, so this is the way also we can do. So that's it guys, this is all about slice. In next video we will do the practice of this program of slice and array. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.